like 9 in the morning till 8 at night. It's too long, the shift goes.
One time. Angel, are you a boot man or an ass man? Ass man. Really? Question. And you told him that you boob man?
Oh yeah.
Soup, ramen soup. This one is shrimp taste. Yummy.
What did Dion say? She's in a couple of days this week?
She said she has for 3 weeks.
What, a couple of days a week?
I guess. But she has booked for 3 weeks.
I wonder what
Together, we can dispel the darkness. Why do dermatologists choose Dove?
The Dove Beauty Bar is gentle, not only cleans, hydrates my skin.
As a dermatologist, I want what's best for our skin.
With 1/4 moisturizing cream, Dove is the #1 bar dermatologists use at home.
This is the sound of better breathing. Fasenra is an add-on treatment for asthma driven by eosinophils. It helps prevent asthma attacks, improve breathing, and lower use of oral steroids. Fasenra is not a rescue medication or for other eosinophilic conditions. Fasenra may cause allergic reactions. Get help right away if you have swelling of your face, mouth, and tongue, or trouble breathing. Don't stop your asthma treatments unless your doctor tells you to. Tell your doctor if you have a parasitic infection or your asthma worsens. Headache and sore throat may occur. Ask your doctor about Fasenra.
Today we eat pizza, but I added mushrooms on it. Because we have two cooked. One is this kind, Baron pizza, and here is another one. I will grab some additional mushroom. Hello friends, here is Gosia. Today is off day. Didn't want to work because I was feeling a little off, especially yesterday, because in that place we crank up AC in winter and then I feel sick. My throat was feeling sick. You have to stand all day and pack or peek. I look terrible. Pick or pack. If you feel good, it's fine, but I wasn't feeling good yesterday. And I actually took 2 hours off because I was tired. And now I have day off because I still need to rest a little bit and get better, to take some medicine for my throat. And today I filmed videos. We'll clean house, so I will rest. I'm tired working overtime, and I mean, in the winter they shouldn't put that AC for full blast because it's really easy to get sick. They should make it, in summer they don't put it so high and it was so humid there. And now in winter and they putting it to lower temperatures instead of make people comfortable, they put very cold air and it's blowing on you and then I get sick. We'll have to dress up warmer there. Even coat or thin coat or 2 hoodies. Yeah, so okay, see you later. Maybe I record something later. So hello, today is the same day. I'm at home doing cacao in Polish, but in English might be different name, but it's the thing I bought. Hershey's cacao. Cacao we say in Polish, but in English cacao, I don't know, and it's like that powder chocolatey. So I mixed here, some, how it's called, milk with 3 spoons of that, and now heating milk. But hope that milk not. I think the milk has to warm, and then we mix it with this, and then, but it don't have to boil. That's what it says on this packaging. And I will pour it now, I guess, and mix it. And I will drink it because it's good when you are sick, and I feel sick a little bit on throat. And cacao warm you up in winter, so it's good for the drink. Hope I won't spill. Oh no, I just washed it today and cleaned, so I don't want any spillage. Okay, let's mix again. And let's pour it inside. And I think we have to just warm it a little more, but not cook it. And mix it. And I think it's done. So I will drink it. It's not super mixed, but I don't care. I'm tired today. And little still sick. My outfit of the day. This hoodie, Victoria's Secret pink. Joggers, Victoria's Secret pink. I had put on Axe from Way Soft. Unboxing is on my channel or Webby. These are brown version. They are like Axe, but they are from different brand, and they make me warm. And I have this thingy, how it's called, jacket from Victoria's Secret pink, but when I put it on I get super hot in it. That's why I don't wanna have it on, just, you know, like this, to be a little warmer, because this hoodie, I still feel a little cold, but with that anorak I feel warm. And now I pour this cacao. And I will have a nice drink. But also have to clean. So here is my cacao. I have to put also sweet and low. Mix it and drink. I think it's still hot, and it needs more something like sugar. I will add another sweet and low. Second sweet and low tastes better. It just, maybe I should only put 2 spoons, I think, because 3 is a little too much, I think. But it's still good, and I will drink it. And I watch TV here. Here is TV. Here is this. Here is my laptop. Here is my chair.